Hey y'all, welcome back to another new video. Today we are going to be talking about deep breathing and breath work, what it is, why it's good for us, and then we're going to go through several different options of how to do it, from beginner to a little bit more complex. So first of all, why is deep breathing good for us? Well, because it slows down our stress response. So when we're stressed, we breathe short and rapidly, but when we're calm, we breathe deep and slowly. Usually this is something that happens to us, but we do have the incredible power of exerting control over it by altering our pattern of breathing. Deep breathing sends a message to our brain that it's time to calm down, which then sends a message to the rest of our body. Cortisol is a stress hormone that's released when we are stressed, when we're in our fight or flight, but we often release a lot more of it than we need to, a lot more often than we need to. And over time, high levels of cortisol can increase our risk of cancer, obesity, heart disease, heart attack, stroke, premature death, as well as depression and other mental illnesses, and it just really feels bad in the moment. So I'm going to go through 4 different types of breathing with you guys that can promote relaxation and calmness, and I'm going to do a voiceover, and my boyfriend Casey is going to demonstrate for you guys. You have heard him a little bit in the past, but now you guys get to see him.
Hi, I'm Casey. I'll be demonstrating the deep breathing techniques for you today.
So the first technique we're going to demonstrate is belly breathing, which is good for relaxing and relieving stress. This is also really great for beginners because it allows you to check and see if your breath is truly deep, going all the way down to your lungs. Okay, so first, start by sitting or lying in a comfortable position. Place one hand on your belly, just below your ribs, and the other hand on your chest. Take a deep breath in through your nose and let your belly push your hand out. If you are truly filling up your lungs, this will result in your stomach filling up, not your chest. Then, breathe out through pursed lips as if you are whistling, feeling the hand on your belly sink in. Do this as many times as it takes to calm down, usually about 10 times. Take your time with each breath, go slow. Notice and appreciate how you feel after the exercise in comparison to how you felt before. A little more advanced is 4-7-8 breathing. Start by putting your hands on your belly and chest just like in the last exercise. Take a slow, deep breath from your belly in through your nose, counting silently to 4 as you breathe. So Casey will go 1, 2, 3, 4, in. Now this is where it differs. Hold that breath and count to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then take a long, slow exhale, breathing out to 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Try to let all the air go. You can pair this with visualization. Imagine throwing all your worries and stressors to the wind as you exhale. Repeat until calm. The next exercise is called roll breathing. This exercise will help you develop full use of your lungs, which is important to get the full benefits of any breathing exercise. And it will help you have a steadier breath while doing other things such as physical activity. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent. Put your left hand on your belly and your right hand on your chest. Practice filling your lower lungs by breathing so that your belly hand goes up while inhaling and your chest hand remains still, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Do this 8 to 10 times. Now we'll add on. Breathing in, filling your lower lungs just like before, and then continue inhaling into your chest so that first your belly hand goes up, and then your chest hand goes up, and your belly hand will lower. See how it's like a rolling motion. When you exhale, make a whooshing sound with your mouth. An audible exhale helps let all the air out. Do this 5 times or as long as it takes to feel calm. Word from the wise, some people get dizzy their first few times trying this. If you begin to feel lightheaded, you're breathing in and out too fast. The key is to go slow. The last breathing exercise is morning breathing. This is good to do first thing in the morning to relieve muscle stiffness, clogged breath pathways, or morning back tension. Start standing up, then take a deep breath in. As you exhale, bend forward from the waist with your knees slightly bent, letting your belly rest on your thighs. Then let your arms dangle. Think ragdoll pose if you've ever done yoga. As you inhale slow and deep, return to standing by rolling up slowly, lifting one vertebrae at a time. Your head should be the last thing to rise. Hold your breath for a few seconds in the standing position, then exhale slowly as you return to the original position, bending at your waist. Head is the first thing to drop down, rolling down one vertebrae at a time. Do this 5 times and notice how you feel. Well, I hope this helped you guys out, and thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, bye y'all.